Today I'm going to show you how to replace the screen on a satellite C655d-5200 laptop. You can clearly see that it has some spider cracks here, and there's a crack there, and there's a crack here. And when you turn on the screen, you faintly see the stuff. I'm going to show you how to take this apart. There's 4 screws you got to do. This guy down here, that one, and this one down here. I'm going to take a small flat tip screwdriver and you're going to pop these little black tabs out. Then you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver and you take those 4 screws out. And once you get done, as you can see what I'm doing here, once I take these screws out, I'll show you the next step. It's fairly easy. Okay, now I got your 4 screws out. All you're going to be doing, you see how you can pry apart like that? You're going to snap. Same way about this. Get in between there. See what I'm doing? On both sides. You want to be careful in the camera area. They're always the weakest point because of this small area there. And this is the hardest part here. Okay, now that's loose. Might just be best to take and lay it on its back a little bit. You can just get it in between here and let's do it on this side instead. And they just pop up. Now from here, all you need to do, really if you want to take, is this screw here, and this screw here, and this back panel here, this the black piece, the top cover, will fold down. And then you have 1, 2, 3 screws along the side, on both sides, that you can take off after you got this back panel down. So let me take these 2 screws out and I'll show you what to do next. Get the back cover down. There's this little ribbon cable here. You need to peel the tape back on it. It'll be kind of tricky. You don't want to peel the board out. You just want to peel the tape. And I don't normally start this way. Use your fingernail or the flat tip screwdriver. What you're going to do is just go in between here. You don't want to do any damage to this connector whatsoever, because you're going to have to reuse it. This particular one, I'm just going to be reseating the cable, because the cable itself might be loose, and they just want the cable reseated because the black light and the backlight on it doesn't work. Anyway, once you got that disconnected, just take these 3 screws off on either side. You put your connector, your new screen in, screw it in back here, pop it back in, put the cover back up, and you'll get it going. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.